Are you living in fear? Fear of failure, fear of the future, fear of loss. Allah promises that your fear can be replaced with peace. In Surah An-Nur, Allah gives a beautiful promise. And He will surely replace their fear with security. They will worship me and not associate anything with me. This isn't just about worldly safety. It's about the inner peace that comes from trusting Him completely. The more you worship Allah sincerely, the less power fear has over you. Because you start realizing, no one can harm you unless Allah allows. No one can take what Allah has written for you. Fear shrinks when faith grows. Every sajda, every dua, every whispered, Ya Allah, is a step toward a heart free of fear and full of calm certainty. Comment, replace my fear with peace, Ya Allah. Save this reminder for anxious days. Follow for daily Quran-based hope and strength.